Right, second last question. No, third last question. 8, 9, 10. Yeah, okay. So a 1.5 kilogram ball was kicked with an initial velocity of 40 meters per second at the angle of 30 degrees with the horizontal line. Calculate the initial momentum of the ball as well as the horizontal and vertical components of the initial momentum. Okay. So, what do? We know that momentum can be calculated using the formula mass times velocity. Okay, so the initial velocity is u, which is 40. 1.5 times 40 will then get the initial momentum to be 60 kilogram meter per second. Okay, so that is the initial momentum, and then we know that the momentum is the, what's it called, is it the ball? Okay, so the ball is kicked at an angle. Okay, so when it is at an angle, we know that we would have the x and y component. Okay, so let's look at the y component. We have to find both the horizontal and vertical component kan. So let's do the horizontal component dulu. So x component is px equal to mvx. Okay, so we have mb cos theta. Okay, so how do I know it should be cos theta? Actually, let me try to draw the diagram. Yes. Okay, so we have a ball being kicked at an angle. Okay, so the ball is kicked at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal. Okay, so 30 degrees to the horizontal. And this is your theta, and this is your u. Okay, so we have u, ataupun you can also call this OV terus lah. Okay, so we know that based on this, we have to resolve this into x and y component. So this is our x, this is our y axis. Okay, so I'm sure you are able to resolve this. This is chapter 3 sudah. So that was chapter 1. You should be able to resolve into x and y component lah. Okay, so m is 1.5, v is 40 cos 30 degree. You'll then get the horizontal component to be 51.96 kilogram meter per seconds. And then for y component pula, py mvy ataupun uy pun boleh. So since the angle is at the opposite of the y-axis, we are using sine theta. Okay, so 1.5 v is 40 sine 30 degree. You'll then get the vertical component to be 30 kilogram meter per second. So that is your question number 8.